Okay, James is downstairs. I need to go through his clothes. I so do not want to do this. I'm tired. So I'm gonna go as fast as I can and see. Just do it, right? Just, it's like a band-aid. Oh, I hear someone coming. Okay. I am starting with all the clothes that are hung up and going through each one and taking off anything that either doesn't fit or is damaged. And as you can see, we keep his clothes quite minimal. He doesn't have a dresser. All of his clothes are on that right side of the closet, and at the end of the video I go through more in detail about what goes where, but I really like our system and it just keeps everything easier. Lines like poetry. If you are new to my channel or haven't subscribed, I'd love to have you subscribe. I have a really big goal of subscribers for 2018, so if you like this kind of content, I'd really appreciate you hitting that button. Now I'm on to the different bins. This first one are t-shirts, and I'm sorting everything into different piles on my bed, which I will go over at the end. Can anyone relate to this? I'm so good at getting rid of my own clothes, but I have a really hard time saying goodbye to his clothes. I think it just makes me sad how quickly he's growing up. Now I'm going through pants. You guys, he has holes in every one of his pants. They last about 2 days home from the store and there are holes. Is my kid the only one who does this? I'm thinking his daycare center probably thinks that I'm an awful mom, but I just keep putting him in the holy pants because I can't afford to buy new pants every single day. And PJs. We need some new PJs for him right now. So if you have a favorite store to buy kids PJs, I'd love your suggestions. And in this bin, I keep all of his underwear and socks. Standing at your doorstep, feel it everywhere, feeling everything. And I keep swimsuits in this basket. Okay, so you can see I made a lot of progress on his closet. I think it's kind of easy to keep empty hangers up there, so you're not fishing through. And then I really like this system. I want to say I got this at Target. So it just hangs up here, and then you can put bins down here. So these are all his clothes. He doesn't have a dresser. So these are like sweaters and things that need to be hung. Then I have a bin of pants and shorts. These are t-shirts. Then his PJs and socks and underwear. That's like a swim stuff box. And then I have an empty one. I feel like you can have empty space, and that is okay. And then this is his overnight bag, and that's like a picnic blanket. I don't really know if that should be in his room. And then down here, I think I got this from IKEA years ago. It's actually mostly empty. But we need to clean out his toys downstairs next, and so we might bring some of them up here to store in there. And then I just got these two things, and they're not the right height. I think I'm gonna pick up some like Velcro command stuff to lift it, so it'll be a little bit better. But what I've been doing so far is I've been keeping like 5 outfits in here for the school week. And then you know, when I do laundry or on Sunday night, I just put together his outfits and we're set. So this is the mess. These are library books. This is giveaway. These are clothes that are damaged. I'm gonna try to find like a recycling center so I don't just have to throw them away. And then this is two piles, not that you can tell, but to the right are donating to Goodwill. To the left are things that I want to keep. I'm gonna actually give these to my sister-in-law because I have a nephew, and ask her to save them for me when she's done or she doesn't need them. So hopefully that inspired you a little bit. It took probably 45 minutes total. I feel so much better. All right, I'm gonna do nothing but relax the rest of the day. Have a good one. Thanks for watching. Please like this if you liked it, subscribe, and come on back next time. Bye, guys.